So.
Hey YouTube, this is my bike check of my Schwinn. Hell, whatever model it is, I don't know. But yeah, I can't ride now because I was pop tire. But yeah, it's a pretty good bike. Take off some sweet jumps. Look at those hydraulics in the front. Back compression. But as you can see, my back tire's flat, so don't get anywhere with this. My back hub, pretty boring. Yeah, I'm a cool kid with this thing. Forget this, look at this bike.
My name's Nick, and this is my Eastern Reaper 2011. It weighs about 22 pounds. I have a Helix down to full chromoly frame. I have chromoly fork. I have Scavenger Swift bars with animal grips and animal barns. I have a stock Eastern stem with an animal headset. I have a Demolition seat post with a stock Eastern pivotal seat. And then I have a Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. I have a half-lake chain with stock Eastern plastic pedals. I have Odyssey A1 brake pads. And that's my bike check, and this is how loud.
Hey, what kind of parts do you want to get, Nick?
I would like to get a Rogue Status pivotal seat.
Yeah, Rogue Status.
And maybe some Odyssey pads or light rims, and this is how loud my bike is.
Get the hell out of here.
Look at this cool cat. Good.
Nerds.
Nerds.
That's my Eastern Reaper 2011.